Hi friends, Miss Petra here, and we are gonna have story time. Yay! We're gonna read this book, Pete the Cat and the Missing Cupcakes. It is by Kimberly and James Dean. James Dean is the creator of Pete the Cat. And this book is especially for Will today. Will, this is your favorite book, so I'm going to dedicate this one to you. So, are you guys cozy? Here we go. Pete the Cat and the Missing Cupcakes. Dun, dun, dun. Pete and Gus were as busy as could be. They were getting ready for a cupcake party. It started at 3. Do you guys remember this guy? That is Gus the platypus. He's the drummer of Pete's band, and he has a wooden spoon. Pete is mixing some yummy stuff over in a bowl. He also has a spoon. They are making, what are they making? Yeah, cupcakes. They were making cupcakes for everyone. Pete and Gus counted them just for fun. Should we count them? Let's do it. It'll be fun. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10. They had 10 when they were done. And look at the flavors. That one's blueberry and chocolate. Those are my favorites. There's sprinkles, strawberry, and a bunch of other yummy flavors too. Which one do you like best? Excellent choice. Excellent. Oh no, hang on. Some of the cupcakes were gone. They were sure there had been 10. Pete said maybe we need to count them again. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh no. Well, at least the blueberry and chocolate are still there. They counted the cupcakes lined up straight. Now, there were only 8. It looked like someone had taken 2. But who? Pete and Gus did not know what to do. Just then, they found a clue. Look it, it's cupcake wrappers. Gus said, "Look what I have found, sprinkles on the ground. I bet it was Squirrel. She loves sprinkles." Squirrel said, "It wasn't me. It couldn't be. I've been at the spelling bee." Uh-oh, more cupcakes are missing. Come and see. Oh, this was too weird. 2 more cupcakes had disappeared. Now there were only 6. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, the blueberry and chocolate are still there. Wow. Someone must be playing tricks. But who? Pete and Gus did not know what to do. Just then, they found another clue. They found green footprints going that way. Pete said, "I bet it was Alligator. He loves to eat." Alligator said, "It was me. It couldn't be. I've been learning my ABCs." Uh-oh, more cupcakes are missing. Come and see. Now there were only 4. Someone had taken 2 more. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4. Whoa, thankfully the blueberry and the chocolate are still there. So yeah, now there are only 4. Someone had taken 2 more. But who? Pete and Gus did not know what to do. Just then, they found another clue. Oh, look at, what did they find? A ladder. Good job noticing. I bet it was Turtle, said Pete. I know that turtles love sweets, and evidently turtles love ladders too. Turtle said, "It wasn't me. It couldn't be. I've been swimming in the sea." Turtle talks really slow because he's a turtle. Uh-oh. More cupcakes are missing, and look at here. There's a hand reaching up, and it's got the blueberry. Not the blueberry. Oh, no. What on earth is going on? All of the cupcakes were now gone. Let's count them. Oh, we can't. They're all gone. Pete and Gus did not know what to do. They started looking for another clue, and they found cupcake wrapper, footprints, sprinkles, cupcake wrapper, sprinkles, footprints. Whoa, all the way that direction. They found Grumpy Toad with icing on his face. Pete and Gus have solved the case. I'm so sorry. It was me. I couldn't stop with just one. I ate and ate till there were none. Oh man, look at all those empty wrappers. Grumpy Toad ate all of the cupcakes. His tummy's probably not going to feel so good either. Everyone agreed Grumpy Toad would have to miss the fun. Oh, I think that means that they don't want him to come to the cupcake party. Yeah, he's going to have to miss the fun. He couldn't come after what he had done. Pete said, but wait, Grumpy Toad made a mistake. This is true. Let's give him a second chance. That's what friends do. Pete told Grumpy Toad they would give him another chance. So he was so excited, he did the happy dance. Oink, oink. He was very happy. He's getting another chance and gets to go to the party. Those are good friends. The night of the party was so much fun. Grumpy Toad brought more than enough cupcakes for everyone. Whoa, look at all of those cupcakes he made. There were 10 cupcakes that Gus and Pete had made. I wonder how many cupcakes Grumpy Toad made. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. He made 16 cupcakes for Pete the Cat's cupcake party. Yay! And they all had so much fun. The end. Yay! Let's look at all of these yummy cupcakes that they had made. Wow. Whoa. Gus is holding a blue one. Turtle has one on his back. There's Alligator. He's holding one. Grumpy Toad is eating one. Ooh, I do like the shoe. Look at that, Nolan. There's a blue shoe. And here's Pete the Cat. He's chomping on one too. Oh, good job noticing. There's Owl with a cupcake also. Yay! And where's Squirrel? Does anybody see Squirrel? I see a cool guitar. Oh, there's Squirrel. Thanks for pointing that out. Well, I had so much fun reading this book with you guys. And I hope you have a really, really super fun, groovy, cool day, just like Pete the Cat. And I will see you next time. Okay, bye!